Here we have a typical older home without any insulation. The crew is now cutting off one piece of siding as they work their way around the house. This home does not have any exterior sheathing on the outside of the building. The joist bays are directly covered up by the exterior siding. So here we've used a piece of plywood and we've cut holes in it on 16-inch centers. We nail it up directly to the wall studs and then blow our insulation through the holes in the plywood. This house had some interior blocking inside of the walls, which we found when we were trying to insulate from below. Once we figured out where that blocking was at, we're able to isolate that piece of siding, take it off, and then we can insulate above that blocking to ensure that we get all the wall insulated well. When insulating exterior walls, we like to use cellulose insulation, which is a recycled newspaper product. The insulation goes in really tight, doesn't allow any airflow through it, does an excellent job of insulating, also provides great fire resistance to the walls. After the insulation is blown in, we put the siding back on. The entire process can take 1 to 2 days for a typical home. Once the siding goes back on, we use a caulk that matches the color of the paint. Once the boards are caulked in place, it's very hard to tell which boards were removed and which boards were always there. Here we have a typical attic insulation job. We're going to show you a couple of photos of how we do it. So let's get started. Using the blower door, we check the house for air leaks. Quite often air is leaking from the home into the attic. After we find the leaks in the attic, we can seal them up using a spray foam product. This saves lots of energy. After we've completed the air sealing in homes, we usually insulate them to the R49 level, which is the Energy Star level. Here Dan's taping up an indicator to show how deep the insulation is. We begin blowing cellulose insulation. Cellulose insulation does an excellent job of filling all the voids around all the framing. The combination of an air-sealed and well-insulated attic will provide years of comfort. Attic access hatches are often a weak link in the attic insulation envelope. Here we're insulating the attic access hatch, and then we'll provide a weather stripping around that to complete the thermal envelope of the attic.